Welcome to qnawire.
Now, you are not supposed to be submitting a whole problem, so I don't know where your question lies exactly. I will give you a little bit of all of it, but I'm not going to do the whole thing. If you have questions on each of them, you can submit them separately. But if you want to find the measure of arc mN, you have to pay attention to the angle that opens up to it. That angle is called an inscribed angle. The angle is half of the arc it opens up to. So the measure of arc mN has got to be double 48, and 48 times 2 is 96 degrees. And if arc LP is 36 degrees, angle LMP opens up to it. The angle is half of the arc that it opens up to, so half of 16 is 8 degrees. Half of 36 is not 8, but 18. Okay, number 2 works exactly the same way. Number 3, since angle Q opens up to a diameter of the circle, diameters have 180 degrees, this must be a right angle. So 5x plus 8 has to equal 90 degrees. Subtract 8 from 90, you get 82 divided by 5, you get 16.4. In number 4, both angle J and G open up to arc FH. That means that they're equal to each other. They open up to the same arc. So you can write an equation that says 5z is equal to 4z plus 9. I think that's what that says. So z equals 9, and the measure of angle FJH would be 5 times 9, or 45 degrees. In the next several questions, I'll do number 5 to completion, but the rule of what's going on, the property, is that opposite angles of a quadrilateral that's inscribed in a circle are supplementary. It's because together the angles span the entire circle, which is 360 degrees. But they're on the circle, the angles, so they're half of that. So you can take opposite angles, like 11y and 7y are opposites, and you can say 11y equals 7y. That's not true. Gosh, I lost my train of thought. Opposites are supplementary. Supplementary means they add to equal 180. There we go. So we get 18y equals 180, so y would be equal to 10. And then you can answer the question, find the measure of all the angles. If y is 10, we've got 70 degrees. We've got 110 degrees. And we've got 8 times 10, which is 80, plus 8 is 88 degrees. And then subtract from 360, because there's 360 degrees inside a quadrilateral. So 360, subtract 70, subtract 88, subtract 110, and we're left with 92 degrees. I'll do one more since I botched it a little bit. What you want to do is look for a pair of opposite angles that you can work with, like A and C. They are supplementary, meaning they add to equal 180. That's what I did here and there, and you will in 7 and 8 as well. That's 14x plus 12 equals 180. Subtract 12 and 14x is going to equal 180 minus 12, which is 168. Then divide by 14 and you'll get 12. If x is 12, then angle A is 10 times 12, or 120 degrees. Angle B is 6 times 12 plus 3, and 6 times 12 plus 3 is 75 degrees. And angle C is 4 times 12 plus 12. 4 times 12 plus 12 is 60. And then angle D would be subtract from the 360 degrees that a quadrilateral has, subtract what we know. Subtract 120, subtract 75, subtract 60. Leaves us with 105. I'll leave 7 and 8 for you.